Well, good evening, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss. Just thought I'd come back and talk to you for a minute because there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of people upset about Crypto Crash 2022. And I remember last year we had similar things happening where institutional investors come in and then all of the patterns for every crypto were following the exact same pattern. When they all go down, one goes down, they all go down. When one goes up, they all go up. And here we are now, coming off of a $60,000 Bitcoin, $50,000 Bitcoin, and we've tumbled all the way down to $35,000 or so. And people are starting to put videos out there saying it's the end. It's the end of the world and you're gonna lose your shirt and it's just all over. And I just wanted to put something out to ease everybody's mind. Let's think through this instead of doing something irrational like we're prone to do. There's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt out there. And if we fall into that trap, we might miss the biggest hike in our balance sheet that we've ever seen. You're gonna miss the biggest opportunity to promote yourself past whatever wealth target that you ever had in your entire life, simply because you listened to a bunch of people who are looking at things from a short-sighted point of view, okay? We need to pay attention to people who know how to make money, okay? And I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should be buying more crypto right now and not listening to any of the FUD, not listening to any of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So while we're enjoying this beautiful fire, let's just get into it. The first reason is none other than the banks themselves. Many people are not aware that the banks are investing in crypto. When we start talking about institutional investors, one segment of those folks are the banks. I'm talking about Standard Chartered, who's invested $380 million, BNY, who's invested $321 million or more. I'm talking about Citibank, $279 million, UBS, $266 million. BNP, $236 million. Morgan Stanley, $234 million. JP Morgan Chase, $206 million. Goldman Sachs, $204 million. I'm talking about MUFG, $185 million. I'm talking ING, $170 million. Okay, and the list goes on. BBVA, $167 million. Nomura, $146 million. Barclays, $12 million. Listen at this. This is a list of banks that have invested in cryptocurrency. You want to talk about whales? Well, here's the whales. Institutional investors who have bought into blockchain and crypto technology, the actual banks themselves. Do you really believe that the banks would buy into something that is not going to be lucrative? Do you really believe that the banks would buy into a new DeFi financial technology that is going to replace their entire infrastructure and just lose their shirts on it? No. They believe, they know that it's just a matter of time before blockchain technology replaces the current technology, and they're getting in on it. So you have to maintain your focus when you see these dips in the market. The banks are investing in crypto. Let's move on to reason number 2. Reason number 2 is that we have companies out here that are investing in crypto. Okay, let's talk about that. We're talking about companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, Galaxy Digital Holdings, Voyager Digital, Blockchain Inc., Marathon Digital Holdings, Hut 8 Mining Corp., Coinbase Global, and the list goes on. Okay, these are not small companies. Okay, this is big business. Do you really think multi-billion-dollar corporations would be investing in something that is not going to be lucrative? Okay, we have banks that are investing in blockchain and crypto technology. We have companies like MicroStrategy and more that are investing in blockchain and crypto. Let's go to my third and final reason why crypto is going to rise again, why Bitcoin is going to rise again. I want to talk about people who move and shape our very existence simply by uttering a word. People like Elon Musk. That's right. I want to talk about the wealthiest people in the world. When you see the CEO of MicroStrategy tell you that he's going to buy more Bitcoin in the middle of this crash, that should tell you something. When you see Elon Musk talking about accepting Dogecoin, okay, for Tesla Corporation, that should tell you something. Okay, we have everything from Tesla to MicroStrategy to Walmart, McDonald's, and a whole Facebook. We have all kinds of people who are over these organizations that are working to actually use crypto and blockchain technology. Doesn't that put your mind at ease? The banks are bought in. The big corporations have bought in. And the wealthiest people in the world have bought in. So why are we listening to people on YouTube or anywhere else saying it's over? Saying that the gig is up, saying that we're going to lose our shirts, when we need to cut and run. Look, there's only one strategy when it comes to investing, and that is long term. We're not buying these assets for a short hold and sell. We're buying these assets to build wealth. You build wealth over time. The best thing to do right now is to scrape whatever pennies you have and invest them in the blockchains and crypto projects that you believe in wholeheartedly, that they actually do have something valuable. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Food for thought. If the banks are in, and the big name corporations are in, and the wealthiest people in the world are in, what do we have to worry about? Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.